Good morning, students. Welcome to English class 10. Today we start with Unit 3 Supplementary. The story of Mulan, a real story of a Chinese family. Before we start the story, let's have a introduction on it. The story is about Mulan, a teenage girl who saved China when there was a war in China. The emperor announced that one man from each family should join the army. Mulan dressed herself as a man and joined the army. As her father was old and her brother was a child in the army, she proved to be a brave soldier. She became the general of the army. One day, a bad fever swept the army. Mulan was also affected by this fever. When the doctor examined her, everyone came to know that she was a woman. The soldier became angry and shouted that she should be punished. Just then a battle came. With a good plan, she attacked the enemy and won the battle. When she saved China, everyone cheered her. The emperor was glad and gifted her with 6 fine horses and 6 fine swords. Now let's start the story in brief. The main characters are Mulan, a teenage girl, Mulan's father, an old man working as carpenter, Mulan's brother, a child. The story of Mulan is based on the legend of Hua Mulan. It is about a brave girl, Mulan, who had saved China many years ago. China was in the middle of a great war. The emperor announced that one man from each Chinese family must leave his family to join the army. Mulan, a teenage girl who lived in a faraway village of China, heard the news when she was outside washing clothes. Mulan ran into the house. Her father was sitting in a chair, carving a piece of wood. She called, "Father, did you hear what the emperor says each family must do?" Yes, father got ready to join the army as his son was a child and Mulan was a girl. But Mulan stopped her father, saying that she would go on behalf of him. Her father said that she could not do it. If the emperor knew about it, he would kill her. Mulan was confident that nothing would happen. Mulan said to her father that you have trained me in martial art in Kung Fu. You trained me how to use a sword. So don't worry, father, said Mulan. Father said, if they find out that you are a woman, you know as well as what they do, they will kill you. No one will find out, father, said Mulan. She would dress herself as a man and she kissed her father and said goodbye. I love you, father. Take care of yourself and tell my brother that I said goodbye. Then she climbed on a family horse and she went to join the emperor army. In the army, she proved to be a brave soldier. Her battles went so well that she was put in charge of more soldiers. After a year, she was given the post of general of the entire army. After some days, a very bad fever swept through the army. Swept means spread through the army. Mulan, the general, was also affected by this fever. When the doctor came out of Mulan's tent, he told the truth to the soldiers. The soldiers got angry and yelled that she should be punished. But some soldiers protested to this and said that they won every battle with Mulan as the general. Just then, a soldier ran up and announced about a surprise attack. Mullan got up and proceeded towards the attack. She introduced the soldiers what to do and it worked. The battle was won by them. China was saved. After this victory, no one cared that Mullan was a woman. The emperor was glad and requested Mullan to be his royal advisor. Mullan refused his offer, saying that she wished to return to her family. So the emperor gave her 6 fine horses and 6 fine swords. She returned to her village and everyone cheered that she was saved. At the end of the story, we have come to know about the power of women. So, dear children, this unit was connected with an empowered woman. I hope you all have understood the story. That's all for today. Let's meet in our next session with more interesting topic. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.